Metgo is your new bus and rail fare system. Just tap your Metgo card or scan your Metgo app and listen. That beep means your Metgo card is valid and you're good to go. That beep means you may not have a valid pass or need to add funds to your account. That beep means your Metgo card is valid and you're good to go. That beep means your pass has already been used on this bus recently. Remember that each rider needs their own account. That beep means you're low on funds. That beep means you need to show photo ID. Once these issues are worked out and your pass is valid, you're good to go and ready to ride nice.